Washington, and it's so sunny. So we found our little home. We're moving to Washington Coast. We're gonna live right in there. It's not gonna skip. I have no idea where it went.
It's like a new high score. What is it?
It's hard.
I think it's a maze. I think you need to... oh, I'm so close, Nina.
Oh, look at him running. We are hiking, more like walking, Hall of Mosses Trail.
I'm hiking in my rainbows. Ooh, just look how big that is. That's like 80 Ninas. Good morning from Hurricane Ridge. We're almost at Canada. That's not Canada. Canada is that way. And there's Miss Nina, looking as beautiful as ever. There's just way too much scenery to enjoy here. You gotta like break it down into sections. Enjoyment. 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 Enjoy. 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 Enjoy.
So pretty. And there's Canada.
It's all the way over there.
Yeah.
Gotta dial in my f-stop. Don't tell them where Canada is. Keep Canada a secret. No one knows.
Wow.
Oh, we made it.
Seattle. Look at how much faster we can go.
We're still above the wall.
50,
I
35.
use my speed glasses.
How did this happen? Now we're slow.
Just went
Everyone
around.
wanted it. Everyone
I know. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's bright green. Ah, gross! Didn't even stick to me. Yeah, they can be buddies.
Just showered up at Planet Fitness. Nina is going to proceed to tell me how she feels fresh. Watch. Hiya. And Miss Nina's feeling fresh. Just cooking up, you know, in a Ross parking lot. It's gotta make us feel even more homeless than we already are.
I love being homeless. Hey, you show your face. So our whole time in Washington and Oregon has been great and so sunny, but today the rain finally caught up with us. How are you doing?
I don't want to be outside.
Even the ranger today when we got here was like, yeah, you're not gonna see anything.
3D maps are so realistic they have actual water. Hey, it's kind of clearing up.
It's kind of clearing up. Come this way.
Oh, no. Tell me where to go.
Oh, higher, higher, higher. Yeah.
Wow, that's a cliff, Nina. Why are we walking so close?
Take a picture. Welcome to my new home. I have a toilet.
Wow, you have a plastic one. Mine was metal,
Yeah.
and it froze my butt off. A lot of people crowd this railing for the view right here, all the way out there, when really you can just go right here on this little spot and take epic pictures without the railing.
We drove all the way to Germany.
We're not in Germany.
Just kidding, we're in Leavenworth, Washington. Hey, Hey, why don't you have a cap on the camelback?
I took it off because, you know, need to keep weight low. It was too heavy for me, so.
I live in that little ice cave.
Which one?
The little one up there.
Oh, there's Nina's home. Do you think it'd be cozy, warmer in there?
Uh-huh. It'd definitely block the wind that's freezing me right now. Do you love it? Do you love it?
What's going on over here, Nina?
Hovering for warmth.
Can you even see the view?
I don't need the view. I need warmth.
How are you supposed to enjoy it from behind this rock? What do we got?
This is where I'm about to go to the bathroom.
Magical box?
A badly cut hole.
Oh, wow.
Little seat.
Wow, okay, all right. Well, enjoy.